channel, thank you guys so much for coming back today. So appreciate it. So today's video is going to be a tutorial using the new Marc Jacobs Omega shadows and the new Glitz Gel highliners. So I did do a whole video on my channel where I unboxed all these and I reviewed them. If you haven't seen it, it'll be linked down below. So you can get an understanding of like all the products and all the colors. But today I'm gonna actually do a tutorial using a few of them and I'm very excited. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to only use one highlighter and one shadow to create an entire eye look. I did say in my unboxing video that's kind of like the point of this release, is that it's all just about like the really quick makeup tutorials. If you only have 5 minutes to create a look, then like this is all you need pretty much to create like an eye. So that's what we're going to do today and I'm very excited. If you do not follow me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram because I have a few up close eye looks on there, just with a few, again using 2 products and just creating different shapes and stuff, which are really fun. I have, you know, just got like a bit more content on there using these products. So if you're interested, go and have a look. Anyway, that's it. I'm going to get started. Okay, so we're of course going to start with skin. I'm going to take my coconut primer. Obviously everything in this video is going to be Marc Jacobs. So now I want to kind of go a little bit more like bronzy, so I'm going to take my darker Shameless foundation. This is in the color Y320. Just going to take that on my sponge here. Start blending this all in. Alright, so a bit of concealer. I'm going to just take my another shade of the Shameless. This is in Y270. Just a little bit lighter. Let's settle this. I'm going to just take my coconut powder. Finish Line Perfecting Coconut Powder. And for all of you guys wanting, this is like my everyday foundation routine. I know I get a lot of questions like, you know, do like your everyday makeup and this and this. So this is kind of it, really. Just so all y'all know. Okay, so let's do a bit of bronzer. I'm going to take my Omega bronzer. Of course. Our eyes are going to be quite warm. Going to do quite warm tones, so I'm trying to keep the face quite nice and warm and bronzy. So it just all blends together. Okay, so I think I'm ready to move on to the eyes. So we're going to start with our highliner. So I'm going to take the Glitz Alright and Glitz Alright. So it's like a nice deep purple. We're going to use this for our entire crease and everything. So what you need on hand is a blending brush. So I like a flat brush like this. You can really, it really like, it's like a little bit dense. It's not too dense, but it really like gets in there straight away. So we're going to go straight in. So basically, this doesn't have to be neat. Like I said, we're going to be blending. We're going to come all the way up here and then kind of out again, like that. Okay, and you don't really want to wait. Kind of want to go straight in and start blending. Okay, so just back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. And then you've got the beginnings of a really nice shape. So what I do is I just keep going in and building it up. We're going to keep our lid free because we're going to go in with an Omega shadow in there. See that? So pretty, so easy. That took me 35 seconds. That's it. So let's do the other eye real quick. Alright. Gorgeous. So let's move down to the bottom super quick. I'm gonna just line the bottom connect that to the end there and just blend. Okay, so that is it. Let me move it a little bit closer. So pretty straightforward. You just blend. Blend, 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 blend. So let's move on to a shadow. I'm going to take, this is the Omega shadow in Oh My God. This is really pretty deep orange. It's super shiny, very, very pretty. Going to take the same flat brush we were using, pack that on, and just go straight in the middle here. You might even take a little brush, same shadow again, and just drag this tiniest bit in the inside here, just to sort of bring it all together, and then just blend that in with that purple. Just blend out the sides here, and there you go, there's your eye. I'm obsessed with that. Okay, let's do some mascara and then the eyes are done. So just take my Velvet Noir. Big, big lashes on the top and bottom. So those are the eyes. Can you see that? So pretty, so simple. I'm gonna do a quick brow. Just gonna take my Brow Wow in dark brown. Nothing too major. I kind of like a messy brow with an eye like this. Just because it's like, keeps like the quick, easy, effortless look as opposed to like a real structured eye. A quick lip, maybe. Alright, I'm just going to finish off with a quick lip. I'm going to take the Marc Jacobs Le Marc Liquid Lip Crayon in Merlot Blow. It's really nice dark purple. Just gonna sort of like tap it on. And it in my finger. I think that's what we want, or maybe not. Let me do it actually properly. Okay, so that's it. That's our entire look. So super easy, quick. That was literally three products in the eyes, one lip, and that was it. So simple. That was like a 5-minute makeup look, but look how like gorgeous it is. I look like I'm like ready to go into the world. So anyway, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. All the products are going to be listed down below as usual. Please let me know in the comments what you thought about this look. If you're excited for these products, I would love to know. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And that's gonna be it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!